everybody, welcome to flex-nylon.com channel. My name is James Yan, a product manager of LED Nylon Flex products. Today I will show you a simple kit that is 8 color. Oh no, it's not 8 color. It's 7 plus 4. It should be 11 color simple kit of virtual meaning LED Nylon Flex. This series virtual meaning LED Nylon Flex is for LED Nylon size finished products. You could buy it in a row such as 10 meter, 20 meter, or 15 meter per rows. You also set as your design drawing or picture or something ideal. That's nylon size if you want to make it. I will set relative information or specifications to our engineer department and our factory department, and I will reply your design drawing about the nylon size. When you confirm it, I will give you our best price with all accessories such as the LED power supply adapter. If you choose RGB type, I will choose also added the RGB LED controller, and such as powder coat with plug-in with plug, and all accessories. You also could choose the indoor or outdoor type. And when you receive the nylon size, you just plug in the pouch into your outlet and turn on the light. That is okay. We will also make the install screen hole on the nylon size bike plans. That all you could choose the handed installation type. You could install the nylon size on the wall, or you hand it in the ceiling room, in the ceiling, and any kind of the installation mats. If you like, we could provide all accessories, such as somebody like his nylon size stand on the floor. It's not on the wall or handed from the ceilings. We could make the support stand flank for support the nylon size. All kind of the installation mats is okay for our factory. We have made hundreds the nylon size for LED Nylon Flex. So later I will, if you like, when you provide all relative informations, I will give you the offers with all accessories and the shipping cost. That is door-in-door service. Generally speaking, so for the small quantity orders, I will choose express door-in-door service, such as DHL Express or TNT Express or UPS or FedEx Express. That is door-in-door service. For our bulk orders, we also choose more cheaper shipping mass, such as by air freight to your nearest airport or the nearest seaport, that you could pick up the goods personally on the port. So later I will show you the 11 colors simple kit for the virtual meaning LED Nylon Flex on our small filling studio box. I think in that the filling studios it will show you more details about this simple kit. It could show the no lighting surface or lighting effects if you like. Okay, let's go. Hello everybody, welcome to flex-nylon.com channels. This is Jing Yan, product manager of flex-nylon.com. Today I will show you one simple kit that is virtual meaning LED Nylon Flex. This series is suited for LED Nylon Flex, the nylon size series. So a factory to make a simple kit with a transparent acrylic bank plant. And we use the special grooves that stick the LED nylon flags on the transparent back plant. That it will be better to design or making adding shapes or words on the back plant. This series could suit for indoor or outdoor decorations. Okay, let me take it and show you the close-up details of this series. So currently we have to make the colorways red jacket, green jacket, blue jacket, lemon yellow jacket, yellow jacket, the ice blue jacket, pink jacket, purple jacket, and the warm white jacket, and two others with a white jacket, make white jacket. You could see the end cap and the front cap cover. It could protect the front part and end part, and we use the transparent wireless wires for connection the part. You could see, and this is the DC adapter, DC hand adapter. And for this simple kit, we also will attach the one-piece AC adapter. The input voltage is 100 to 224 voltage AC, 0.6 and 15 to 16 Hz. Output is 12 voltage, 5 and of course this is the main channel. For the power cables, you could choose the less, any less we could do it, and we could provide this EU plug or US plug or EU plug or adding plug if you like. Okay, let me show you again this virtual milling LED nylon flags for nylon size product. It's a milling dormer shape, you could see. Most clients will choose the color jacket. That is when you will install the nylon size on the daylight. You also could see the colors. It will be more beautiful than the milk white jacket. Okay, colorful, right? Okay, now I will powder it and lighting it. Now you could just plug the DC hand with the LED power supply and release the tape and plug it and plug this hand to our outlet. Have you seen it? Okay, now we'll light the adapter on the side just to see the nylon size only. That will be better. Okay, now we'll turn off the light. Show you full angle. Okay, I will turn off the Feeling Studio box lights and I will turn on the nylon size Okay, the nylon size simple kit is lighting, and show you lighting effect. Okay, off it and turn on the simple kit board light. Right, it's harmonious and beautiful, right? Now, from our right hand to the left hand directions is a white, warm white. This is should be right, but it has only the milk white jacket and the pink with the white jacket, and all right hand lights are all color jacket. It's purple color jacket, pink color jacket, ice blue color jacket, yellow color jacket, lemon yellow color jacket, and blue color jacket, green color jacket, red color jacket. Now all right, this right four lines is milk white jacket, and the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 color is a color jacket. You could see this as more colors choose, more colors options. The front side view, and another side, the bike, you could see. It's beautiful, right? I will show you 36. I will show you 316 angle. Okay, now I will turn on the Feeling Studio lighting. And turn off the simple kit lighting, and you will see his jacket colors. You can see the right four lines is the milk white jacket, and the left 7 line is the color jacket. Okay, back. So you could purchase the raw materials that were 10 meters per rows, 20 meters per rows, or 15 meters per rows, or you could set your designer drawings or pictures or some idea about the nylon size and to flex-nylon.com tees. I will show you the previous drawings, the nylon size, nylon designs, the drawing, and they show you the final drawings by our virtual mailing LD Nylon Flex, and give you offers with the shipping cost to your countries. Both two type is okay. You could choose buy it in Rome, or we also could produce the finished nylon size directly. Okay, let me lighting it again. Turn off it and turn on the simple kit light. Okay, red, green, blue, lemon yellow, yellow, ice blue, pink, purples. This line are color jacket type, and the right 4 lines is the milk white jacket. Pink, red, white, white. Okay. Thank you for watching. This is flex-nylon.com. I'm Jin Yan. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching our channels. Any inquiries and orders from you will have our name attentions. Our email is sales@flex-nylon.com. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay. Thank you for watching this videos. We have shooted the virtual many LED nylon flex for the LED nylon flex size products. If you like it, you could give a message, email us. Our email is sales@flex-nylon.com. I will write it on the screen. Hope you could see it. Okay, thank you for watching. This is flex-nylon.com. I'm Jin Yan. Bye bye.